today's video, I'm going to show you a bunch of crafts that were sent to me from CraftMill, which is a website that sells a variety of craft supplies. They sent me a bunch of A4 and A5 craft packs, which include glitter, multicoloured, natural colours and a single colour pack. I also received these flathead and roundhead paintbrushes. There are 10 in a pack, and these can be used for acrylics, watercolours, oil paintings and other types of crafts. The last thing I have here are these varnishes. I have 3 different types. The first one is clear gloss, and when this dries it's the most shiny and most reflective of the 3 varnishes. Next I have satin, which has a medium gloss when it dries. And the last one I have is matte, which has no gloss when it dries. Now I'm going to show you how to make some miniature breakfast food using all of these craft supplies. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you never miss a video.